Okay, I'm all excited to welcome Fazidah or better known as Jade. We call her Jade. She won't answer, we call her Fazidah. I want to announce that I am her proud teammate. Jade is the project lead for SME Digital Boost Up Accelerator of MDEC, and of course she will be sharing on the program.
Thank you, Carol. Assalamualaikum and a very good evening, everyone. So my name, as mentioned by Arjuna, is Jade Fazidah. I answer usually to Jade lah. So I'm going to talk a bit about the SME Digital Boost Up Accelerator. Some of you may have heard about this last year. We call it the Digital Accelerator Unmunah to Boost Up. Yeah. So any of you have heard about the program last year?
Even no? I don't hear this.
Okay, alright. So let me share with you what it's about. Yeah. Okay, so let me just give you an overview of what the program is about. So when we speak with SMEs, you understand that they know the importance of digitalization. They are aware of it, but it's just that they don't know where to start, they don't know who to go to, they don't know what to do, what to digitalize. So the aim of the program is actually to provide a structured approach where they can then be guided step by step to actually adopt and start their digitalization journey. Yeah? So there's always the stigma of high cost, very expensive when you want to adopt digital. Yeah? So what we aim to do is to actually assist these companies, assist the businesses, so that you can adopt faster. So when we have this program, we hope to actually get the SMEs or the businesses to adopt digital in specific digitalization areas, which I will show slightly later. And we are looking at having outcome-based results. Yeah? We're targeting the small and medium enterprises. We are also, there are 4 sectors that we're focusing on: retail, F&B, logistics, and professional services. Why these 4 sectors? Because when we speak with the SMEs, these are the sectors where we get most demand, and we also know that they are most ready to adopt digital. But we're not limiting to only these 4 sectors. If you're from other sectors, not an issue, you can still join the program. Yeah? So the professional services is mainly for the accountants, the lawyers, or the doctors that have businesses they want to go digitalized. And okay, these are the 7 digitalization areas that we're focusing on. Digital marketing, remote working, e-commerce, e-post, HR payroll, procurement, ERP. Again, we're not limiting to just this 7. We're also looking at expanding to other sectors or other segments like BDA, AI, cybersecurity, and so on. So this is a non-exhaustive list. And what are the benefits that they will get once they adopt digital? Is mainly for them to actually increase their revenue, increase their sales, also for them to reduce the process time cycle, and also for them to reduce man hours. Yeah. So as mentioned, the intention is for them to move from, if they don't have digital presence, that means currently they're just brick and mortar, normal physical shop. We expect them to have digital presence. They can then move on to e-commerce, they can move on to other back-end processes or even front-end processes, and then adopt higher scale of digitalization that involves like cybersecurity, data analysis, and so on. Yeah. So when you join as a business in this program, what will you go through? What will you get? Yeah. So this, the approach that we're having is divided into 3 stages. The first one is where we will onboard you for an online workshop. It's only 3 days because we understand that businesses, you guys are busy. You can't commit your time. So this is online. We only ask for 3 days. Even if you can't meet those 3 days, we have the learning management portal where it will store all the materials, all the recordings. You can then come and revisit anytime, yeah, for you to actually complete the overall sessions or the modules. We will also, when we do the training, we will cover digital transformation, design thinking, and also lean model canvas. So the intention of this too is for you to identify your problems, as what Shami mentioned just now, is for you to identify your pain points, and then for you to prioritize which area is important for you to actually move fast in terms of digitalization. Yeah? And we will also have ELSA, Enterprise Learning Cycle Scoring Assessment. This is where it will highlight to you areas that you need to improve on, whether it's your financial, whether it's your manpower, whether it's your digital presence, marketing, and so on. So the system is AI powered, artificial intelligence powered. If you were to do this on your own, this is actually managed by SETA, an entity under SME Bank. So if you were to do this on your own, you will need to pay about 1,000 ringgit per company. So join us, as this will actually tell you where you are in the business and what you need to do to actually move on to the next level. And we will also have a funding awareness session where we'll inform you of what available financial assistance are there out there in the market, whether it's grant, whether it's loans, and so on. Yeah. We will also do business matching with our technology providers, or the TSPs, because it's a big area, digitalization. You don't know where to start, like I said. So we match you with the technology providers so that they are able to mentor you and guide you how to go about it step by step. So once you complete stage 1, we will then move to stage 2, where you will then implement the solution. You are expected to actually adopt a solution, and then you can leverage on any existing incentives like the grant, the loans, and so on, if there is a need. But what we're doing is we're promoting a freemium model. That means, like Easy Store just now, they have free for life, where you don't need to pay, so that the companies can adopt digital faster. So we're pushing for premium models. Yeah? So incentives, like I said, SBDG is the grant that is offered by MTech and also BSNs. You can also leverage on that if there is a need. And finally, stage 3, once you have implemented, we will track in terms of your progress, so that we are able to see what benefits you have attained. Remember, whether you increase your sale, whether you reduce your process cycle, whether you reduce your man hours. So we expect you to gain at least one benefit from these 3. Yeah? So we will then showcase your success stories, where we will hope that this can be used as case study for other SMEs for them to improve and also adopt digital in their business. So the entire program will take over a period of 3 months. We're going to starting this program. We're launching it in September, so September up to December. But like I said, the commitment that we want from you is only the 3 days, the online workshop. After that, it's subjective, because implementation, whether it's free, you can adopt it immediately, or whether you need a longer, for example, accounting system that may take some time for you to connect with your back-end processes and so on. Yeah? So it depends. But the entire duration of this program will be from September all the way to December. Yeah. So we invite you to actually register. This is free. Yeah, this is free for you, whether you're a company, whether you're a sole proprietor, whether you're a limited liability partnership, whether you've got pricey, also professionals like the lawyers, the accountants, and so on, because they don't have a Sri Berhad company. So you can register as long as you have a valid practicing license. Yeah? And like I said, it's only 3 days. It's fully funded by MDAC. So we also have the QR code at the back. If you can't screenshot this, we can also register later. Yeah. So that's about it. Only 3 slides. Quick one. Okay. Any questions? Okay. If not, then I'll pass it back to Rajanur. Thank you very much.
Info on the SMEadigital Boost Up Accelerator program. Come on and come all, don't miss the golden opportunity. Do sign up your interest to level up your business. We have the QR code there as well.